guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you. It is one that my children, well, two of them anyway, not the baby because he doesn't understand, but two of them are very excited for, and it is a Babacorn Bricks Lego subscription box. This has been sent to us for free from Babacorn Bricks. They are amazing, and they've sent the girls a few boxes and they have absolutely loved them every single time. I'll link my other videos. They adore this box. It is a Lego subscription box. You get a minimum of 10 items a month, and it's £17.95 plus postage and packaging. However, they do have a lot of Black Friday deals on at the moment. Today is Saturday. Yesterday was Black Friday. This video is going to go up the second I finished filming it. I'm going to edit it and get it up, and the deals are on until Monday for Cyber Monday. So if you want to get someone a lovely little Christmas present, then this, I highly recommend it. The kids absolutely love it. They are going to come up in a minute and undo it with me, but I just wanted to get through this bit without having them doing what they normally do. So it is addressed to Cheese and Fish because she knows that is their nicknames, and then it comes like this. Oh, I just love it. And yeah, the girls are just obsessed. My older one is 6, and then I've got a 5-year-old, and the 6-year-old is obsessed with Lego. She absolutely loves it. Her whole bedroom window is just full of Lego. Aria, who's 5, she likes it, but she's not as obsessed with Mika, but she loves this box. So I'm gonna get them to come up now and we're gonna get into it. If you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel. Vlogmas starts on the 1st of December, and there is one giveaway every single day through December for Vlogmas. There is Make It Revolution stuff with friends. There is I've got a load of glossy box goodies. I've got some stationery. I've got a cross stitch. I've got some wax melts. Yeah, I'm very excited to do giveaways all the way through December. But yeah, I'm gonna get the girls to come up and open this and show you guys what's inside.
Mommy,
It's makeup.
wow.
Yeah. Okay, so who have we got? What is your name?
Cheesy.
What's your name?
Fishy.
What's your real names?
Mika. Aria.
Yeah. And are you excited to open the Lego box?
Yeah.
Is it your favourite box that Mummy gets?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wrapping
It
paper.
is cool wrapping paper. So
Purple star. Purple. Ooh.
let's have a look. How cool is the box?
Donut.
Yeah, donut. You get stickers, and it says your monthly brick fix direct to your door. Babacorn Bricks. Should we open it?
Yeah. Can I have another one in my room?
Oh, a nice burp. Lovely. So this theme is the November 2020 box, and it is Cops and Robbers.
Mummy.
Yeah, so it looks like
Can
this.
I open it?
Yep.
I spelled it because it's purple.
Yeah.
I'm gonna open. Well,
Yeah.
I have a pink donut.
Open what you've got in your hand first. So the Babacorn Bricks Buddies book. And this is the issue 8 of the Babacorn Bricks mini comic, and you've got little games and things to do, and pictures, and it's really cute.
I got a
November
picture.
competition. Build it then, Mika.
There's 2 layers.
2 layers. So I will tell you quickly what we've got in here. You get 2 light up flashing bricks, £3.95 each. You get a
Mummy.
funky brick notebook with interchangeable letters.
This is a doggy.
Yeah. So you
Doggy.
stand him on. Look, he just stands in amongst the Lego.
And there's this. What is it?
I don't know. Have a look.
Gunpowder.
That's a doggy for like a Cops and Robbers dog, like a K9.
Mika, I think mine is.
You get 5 Lego minifigures in the bags with stickers, accessories worth £10.95. Surprise police themed Lego poly bag, which is £5.95. 1 item chosen just for you, and then a super fun mini safe. And don't forget your monthly mini comic.
I don't
It says
know
police
how
line
to
do not cross.
build that.
Right, Ari, what did you get?
I got a little money thing, and look what I got.
Oh, some stickers. And you get these little bases that have got stickies on, so you can stick your little Lego man on, then you can stick them
And we
inside.
got little money.
You got a little money, yeah? Because it's cops and robbers. Right, so then, wait. We've got, the poly bag we've got is a helicopter, which the girls will build with Daddy later on, because Mummy's not very good at Lego. Right, you've got a little bag to open. Here's your one to open. We've got a safe. Wow. It's a money box with a safe. How do we open it? We'll turn the keyboard to the left to complete a turn around. Again.
A few moments later.
Ah. So I've opened that. Only took me like a week and a half. There's chocolate money in it. So we got some chocolate money, and we've got, oh, this chocolate money's just popped open.
Oh,
There's
look
two,
at this.
there's two more in here.
Ooh.
Wow. We've got a policeman with a megaphone. Ari, what did you get? Ari got a little man. No, it's it. Right. What's in here? Mika, do you want to open this one?
Yes, please. What is this?
Look at all this. The girls love all this stuff, don't you?
We can put it on Dandad's hair.
On Dandad's hair, yeah.
What is this?
What is it? I think they're flashing bricks.
Flashing to bricks.
Yeah.
I'm going to see what colour they flash.
Yeah.
There's two layers.
It's like Aria's Elsa ones.
Oh,
Wow, look at them.
They're flashing.
Look at these.
And they go really fast. They go really fast.
Look at that. They are so cool.
We don't want to lose the battery already.
No, so we'll keep them.
Yeah, like Aria.
Wait a sec, I'll get you something
Oh,
else out.
I love
I'm
that.
going to get you something else out, don't worry. Calm down. Then, oh
I
wow.
love those stuff.
We've got a Lego Friends.
Yeah, I
And
like
it says
those.
fishy and cheesy. We chose this just for you. The girls love these.
Yeah.
So we can just open this. Wow, look.
Ooh.
So inside is a lady.
Oh,
And
yeah,
you have to build it.
I
She's
think
got
I
a
can
little,
build it.
it's going to be like that.
I think I
Yeah,
can
you got
build it.
instructions. You can do that in a little while.
Okay, this is. How do we? I love that. I don't know what this is called.
That is some dynamite, I think.
Dynamite.
Like that.
I thought it was gunpowder gun. Like we learned about the gunpowder.
You did learn about the gunpowder plot, didn't you? And then we've got a notebook. Wow, look at this. Let me open it. Wait, because you're leaning on everything. You've got to build that one, Ari. That's okay. So, it is a notebook. And then you've got little letters on it. So you can write words with your Lego letters. And you pull them apart or cut them apart. And then you can stick them on to write things. Like that. How cool is that? I love it.
To do a little bit.
Yeah, you can play with it afterwards. So cool. So that is the box. So what did we get? Let's look. We got a notebook. We got a Lego Friends thing chosen just for the girls. So if you buy a box, you might not get this because it will be chosen specifically for you. And we've got the helicopter. We've got some glow-in-the-dark bricks. We've got a... You can. We've got a safe with chocolate money in it. Wait. Look, you're putting Mummy's makeup stuff in there. And then we've got all the little figures as well. So we got loads. What do you say?
Thank you.
Is this your favourite box?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think we should make a lovely, lovely Christmas card to send to Babacorn Bricks to say thank you?
Yeah.
Would that be good?
Yeah.
So yeah, that is the box. There's lots of offers on their website. Please head over. I'll put their Instagram as well so you can go and see what everything's about. But I'm gonna have to go because these two want to just open all this stuff and they're gonna open it on my bed and lose everything. So we're gonna go downstairs to the table before we open any more Lego bits.
I'm just gonna play with Lego.
Okay, you just play with that. So thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.